must secure our country, hand it on to the next generation so that they can build their futures upon the solid foundations of a free and democratic nation. Yet all around the world, so many people are denied that basic right. We, as a democratic nation, must not squander what millions dream to have. That means that if you, the people, tell me on August 8th that you want fresh leadership, I will humbly stand aside and ensure a respectful and peaceful transition of power. The majority of Kenyans do not have another country to run to. Kenya is all they have. And we are in this ship together. Those who would rather break this ship into two or more pieces, in case they do not get elected, should refer to Scripture. When Solomon encountered the two women who both claimed to be mother of the baby, one woman insisted that the baby should be cut into two halves. Let me say that no politician should be allowed to insist that they have the country or else they destroy it. It pains me to remember 2007, when as a result of the contested ballot, so many of our country men and women suffered violence, were displaced from their homes, and are still suffering from the mindless and tragic consequences of post-election violence. But as painful as that memory is, it must remain to serve as a warning